In this video, I want to talk high level about file and permissions management in your Google Drive. But before I go into that, if you like this content, this video is helpful, hit the like button and let me know that. If you have a question about this video or anything I share with you, then ask me a question in a comment on the YouTube video. Furthermore, if you get value from this ultimate guide to Google Drive sharing, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you get notified of additional content I create, because I have a lot of content that I'm creating all about the ultimate guide to Google Drive sharing. Now, there's a whole lot of information available to you when you're managing your Google Drive and permissions and sharing, et cetera, et cetera. And I really recommend you pay attention to the stuff that's most important. First of all, I'd pay attention to how much space you're using up and make sure maybe you need to get rid of some content, delete some content before you go about buying or subscribing to more content. Additionally, I recommend you pay attention to, what's being shared, who has access to your content. You want to make sure you understand, do I want this shared? Who's it shared with? So you're like, oh yes, that's shared with anyone. I want that. That's fine. Leave it alone. Also, pay attention to these different icons. Different icons represent different document types. This is a document right here. This right here is This is a Google form, and this is the spreadsheet with the responses from the form. This is an actual Word document uploaded. This is an image. You can tell by the icons. But get used to the different icons so you understand what they represent, so you can quickly figure out what are you looking at and what's going on. Additionally, remember, you can color code. I can click on this right here. I can organize it. I can change the color to a different color. That may help you have content stand out so you can easily see what you're looking at. Look at under share with me. What is being shared with you? Do you need this anymore? Is this something you need anymore? If you don't need it anymore, maybe you want to get rid of it because it's not useful anymore. Remove one file. I don't need this share with me. Get rid of it. If you don't need content shared with you, don't leave it in your Google Drive. Get rid of it. Pay attention to what you star. Did you star a piece of content intentionally? Let me go back to one and get a piece. Organize. Add to starred. Here it is right here. I starred that. Why did I star it? Do not leave content starred if you're not going to execute upon it. If you're done executing on it, go to organize and remove the star. Don't leave it cluttering up. Look at what's in your trash. Did you delete this intentionally? And if it is, then leave it there. You don't need to get rid of it, even though you could get rid of it. If you're running out of space and you delete a bunch of content, remember, you got to go empty your trash can in order to get that space back. So maybe you do want to delete this quickly. Pay attention to your Google Drive. Pay attention to what's shared with you. Pay attention to different content type. Pay attention to who you're sharing content with so that you're not making mistakes. Because if you're not managing your Google Drive and managing the sharing of your content in Google Drive, you could be creating a cluster, and you don't want to create a cluster. Google Drive is a very powerful set of tools that can be used very effectively and efficiently for collaboration and for distributing content for people. But if you're not managing it, then again, you're not getting the greatest value out of Google Drive. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.